Lost building techniques of the ancient world. Across the ancient world stand monuments of stone so precise, so massive, and so enduring that even modern technology struggles to replicate them. They were built without steel, without electricity, and without machines as we know them. How ancient civilizations achieved such feats remains one of history's most enduring questions. This documentary explores the lost building techniques of the ancient world, methods once mastered, later forgotten, and never fully rediscovered. The paradox of ancient engineering. Modern society often assumes technological progress is linear, yet history suggests something far more complex. Many ancient structures display levels of precision, durability, and scale that challenge this assumption. Their survival over thousands of years is not accidental. It reflects advanced planning, material understanding, and construction skill. These achievements were not isolated. They appear independently across continents and cultures. The Great Pyramids of Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza remains one of the most studied structures on Earth, and one of the least understood. Constructed from over 2 million stone blocks, many weighing several tons, its alignment to cardinal directions is accurate to a fraction of a degree. Mainstream archaeology explains its construction through large labor forces, ramps, and simple tools. However, no physical evidence of massive ramps has been conclusively identified. Questions remain about how stones were transported, lifted, and set with such precision, and how the builders achieved structural stability that has lasted for millennia. What is known is extraordinary. What is unknown continues to challenge engineers. Perfect stonework in the Andes. High in the Andes Mountains, Inca sites such as Sacsayhuaman and Machu Picchu display stonework of remarkable accuracy. Massive stones fit together so tightly that even a blade cannot pass between them. No mortar was used. The stones are irregular in shape, yet perfectly interlocked, designed to withstand earthquakes that continue to destroy modern buildings nearby. The Inca lacked iron tools, wheeled vehicles, and written language. Yet their construction methods remain unmatched. How these stones were cut, shaped, and transported remains unresolved. Roman concrete, stronger than modern mixes. Ancient Rome mastered a material modern science only recently began to understand. Roman concrete, used in structures like the Pantheon, has survived nearly 2,000 years of environmental stress. Modern concrete often degrades within decades. Research reveals that Roman builders used volcanic ash combined with lime and seawater, creating a self-healing material that strengthens over time. The exact recipes and techniques were lost after the fall of the Roman Empire. Only fragments of this knowledge have been reconstructed. Megaliths and impossible weights. Across the ancient world, massive stones were moved with apparent ease. From Baalbek in Lebanon, where stones weighing over 800 tons were placed with precision, to Stonehenge in England, the transport of megaliths remains poorly explained. No direct evidence of cranes or lifting devices capable of such feats has survived. Theories range from clever mechanical systems to large-scale social organization, but definitive proof remains elusive. Lost knowledge, not lost intelligence. It is tempting to assume ancient builders possessed unknown technologies. More likely, they possessed deep practical knowledge of materials, physics, geometry, and labor organization, passed down orally across generations. When civilizations collapsed, this knowledge vanished with them. Writing preserved philosophy and myth. Engineering knowledge often did not survive. What modern science can confirm? Modern archaeology and engineering have replicated parts of ancient methods, but never the full process. Experiments show that simple tools can achieve surprising results. Yet scalability, efficiency, and precision remain difficult to reproduce. There is no evidence of supernatural technology, but there is strong evidence of sophisticated human ingenuity. What remains unexplained? Despite progress, key questions remain unanswered. How were massive stones lifted repeatedly with precision? How were materials engineered for longevity without modern chemistry? How did independent cultures develop similar solutions without contact? These gaps remind us that history is incomplete. Ancient builders left behind more than monuments. They left questions. Their achievements challenge modern assumptions about progress and intelligence. They remind us that knowledge can be lost as easily as it is gained. If this documentary expanded your understanding of the ancient world, consider supporting Interesting Mind Hub by liking this video and subscribing for future explorations into humanity's forgotten knowledge. Thank you for watching. And remember, history still has much to teach us.